The heart is one of the most fascinating organs of the human body. It starts beating when we are still in our mother's womb and continues to do so till our last breath. It works tirelessly to pump life-giving blood to all parts of our body. Here are some amazing facts about our heart. Our heart pumps about 5 liters of blood each minute. In an average 70-year lifetime, our heart beats 2.5 billion times. The size of our heart is about the size of our clenched fist. Heart is the first organ to begin functioning in the fetus. Just as the case of any machine, our heart will fail to function properly if we do not take proper care of it. In order to keep our heart healthy, it is necessary that we have an idea about how our heart manages to do this wonderful feat of constantly pumping blood. Our heart is located in the chest between two lungs and slightly to the left. It is well protected by the rib cage. It is about the size of our clenched fist and weighs about 300 grams. It beats about 60 to 100 times a minute. Our heart has 4 chambers: right atrium, right upper chamber, right ventricle, right lower chamber, left atrium, left upper chamber, left ventricle, left lower chamber. Also, our heart has 4 valves: the tricuspid valve having 3 flaps, and the mitral valve having 2 flaps, pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Just as in other pumps, these valves allow flow of blood in only one direction, that is from the atria to the ventricle and from ventricle to aorta or pulmonary artery, and prevents the backflow of blood. Mitral valve is the valve between the left-sided upper and lower chambers of the heart, between the left atrium and left ventricle. Its shape resembles the headwear of a bishop, mitre, and hence the name. Mitral valve has 2 leaflets and is called a bicuspid valve. It closes when the left ventricle contracts so that blood from left ventricle does not flow back into the left atrium. Tricuspid valve is between the right upper and lower chambers, right atrium and right ventricle. It has 3 leaflets and hence the name. It closes when the right ventricle contracts, thereby preventing leakage of blood from right ventricle into right atrium. Tricuspid valve has the largest orifice area among the 4 heart valves. Aortic valve lies between the left ventricle and the aorta, the largest blood vessel supplying blood to the whole body. It has 3 semilunar cusps and it is mentioned as a semilunar valve. Aortic valve closes when the left ventricle relaxes after a contraction. Hence, the blood pumped into the aorta when the ventricle contracts does not flow back into the left ventricle. This enables the forward flow of blood into the aorta and its branches, reaching all parts of the body where it is required for various functions. Pulmonary valve is between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is a large blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood into the lungs for oxygenation. Pulmonary valve closes when the right ventricle relaxes after contraction, preventing backflow of blood from pulmonary artery to the right ventricle. Like the aortic valve, pulmonary valve also has 3 semilunar cusps and is known as a semilunar valve. The blood from various parts of our body other than the lungs are brought to our heart through 2 large veins, superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. These bring blood to the right atrium, the upper right chamber. From here, the blood passes to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. It is then pumped into the lungs via the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary related to the lungs. In the lungs, the oxygen we inhale is mixed with the blood and carbon dioxide in the blood is removed. After this, the blood passes to the left atrium and then to the left ventricle through the mitral valve. Finally, the blood is pumped to different parts of our body through the aorta, the largest artery of the body. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.